Hello everyone, welcome to this live session, the part-time or sorry, the weekend market live analysis. Without wasting much of your time, we will just quickly go into a few pairs where we have more of price hint of a directional bias, then try to decide of which direction we want to stick to for this upcoming trading week. Well, looking into the Forex Factory economical calendar, you can clearly see that we have quite a very long list of high impact news announcements. Well, it's likely going to be a mixture of both quiet and very active price behavior for this upcoming trading week. That's because we have some bank holidays scheduled for this week. As you can see here on on Tuesday, the 30th of April, we have a Chinese bank holiday. We also have bank holidays on Wednesday, coming from the Swiss franc axis and the euro axis. All right, so those are all bank holidays. They might indeed slow price behavior, but in my experience, these bank holidays tend not to slow price as much as that coming from America. All right, whenever you have bank holiday coming from America, it tends to slow price the most than these bank holidays that we have for tomorrow. Okay, well, let's hope we'll get a more active price, but for this week the American dollar is going to be facing the heat because we have interest rate announcement, the FOMC schedule for Wednesday, the 1st of May 2019. So interest rate from the American dollar axis, and we also have the NFP on Friday. That should be affecting all American dollar pairs. So it's going to be a very troublesome week for the American dollar. All right, looking into the charts, the first one here is the euro against the American dollar. Like I said, I wouldn't want to waste much of your time based on the price action that we are seeing. The euro against the American dollar initially gave us a flat bottom triangle, okay, where price broke to the downside, and it seems we are getting a pullback for a continuation move to the downside. Well, beyond the flat bottom triangle, we are now seeing what might likely become a channel. Okay, that's what we are seeing, that might likely become a channel. So if you are looking to go short in the euro against the American dollar, be very hesitant around that zone. All right, around the 1.11190 level, 1.12390 level to the 1.1025, 1.1025 level. You want to be careful around that area because price might be finding support around that zone to bounce to the upside. Okay, all right, let's look into another one, the euro against the New Zealand dollar. Well, for this one here, we'll be analyzing pullback. We got that little trend line to the downside where price made some trend formation but failed to keep pushing to the downside. Now we've gotten a breakout of that little trend line. In my opinion, for this week, price should make a pullback. Okay, some drop, then from there on we can see how we can piggyback, but first you want to see some drop to the downside. Okay, for us, we'll not be trading this. We'll wait to see the pullback exhausted, then look for a buy entry in line with the overall trend that we have for the euro against the American dollar, the New Zealand dollar. All right, the Australian dollar against the Swiss franc. Here, really nothing much to show, but I just want to show you that the directional bias has now changed to the downside. For the Australian dollar against the Swiss franc, we need to wait somewhere around here. Let's see the type of price behavior we got. then we'll be looking for possible bounces to the downside. For now, there is no valid entry in the Australian dollar against the Swiss franc, so let's just be patient. Price is currently trading around resistance area, and we are hopeful, we're very optimistic that we'll be finding valid entries for price to come back down. All right, the sterling pounds against Japanese yen. This is one bearish pair for me, absolutely bearish. We are now waiting to see if we can get a breakout of that flat bottom triangle. If price is able to give us a breakout, we'll be looking for pullback and a continuation move to the downside. It's a high quality setup. All we need to see now is for price to break below that key level of support, which is the 0.015 area. Once price can push below, we'll be looking for possible short entries in the sterling pounds against Japanese yen. All right, finally, the sterling pounds against the Swiss franc. This is the daily time frame. From what I am seeing, although we have much of exhaustion, I believe and I expect the price should be coming to the downside in the sterling pounds against the Swiss franc. So if you're looking to trade here, you want to stick with short opportunities instead of going long. All right, so we should be looking for only short entries in the sterling pounds against the Swiss franc. Okay. All right, folks, this is basically all. Not much to talk about. We believe that the week will come alive, and we are definitely going to be finding better trading opportunities than before. If you have questions or contributions, feel free, send them across to us, and we'll be very happy to respond to them. Do have a nice time and a profitable trading week ahead. Bye bye.